Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Victory World. Today we are restoring an old and heavily rusted Mauser rifle. Let's carefully bring this historical piece back to life. As you can see, the rifle is covered in rust and dirt after many years. The metal parts have lost their shine and the wooden stock also needs serious cleaning. First, the rifle is carefully disassembled so each component can be restored individually. This step helps us clean every hidden part properly. So you see that first of all we removed his magazine. Now we start the opening of his parts carefully. Now we open his wooden parts. Now the all parts in front of you which we can open him. Now the rust removal process begins. Using brushes and cleaning tools, the old corrosion is slowly removed from the metal surface. After removing the rust, the metal parts are polished to restore their original shine. This step makes the old steel look new again. After polishing the metal, now we clean the parts with brush. So let's start the cleaning with brush. Now we polishing the parts with black spray to see the parts beautiful and most blacks. Now it's time to give them oil. Now it's time the cleaning of the wooden stock. The wooden stock is cleaned and restored. Years of dust and wear are carefully removed to remove the natural wood texture. After cleaning the wooden stock, now it's time to polish it. After all, you can see the polishing parts. Once every part is cleaned and restored, the rifle is carefully reassembled. Each component is placed back in its correct position. And here is the final result. The old rusted rifle has been transferred into a clean and beautiful restored piece. If you enjoyed this restoration, don't forget to like the videos and subscribe for our channel for more amazing restoration projects. Thank you.